Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with another thanda cool recipe, and that is custard ice cream. In this video I am going to show you how to make custard ice cream at home. So let's start the video and check out the recipe. Take a kadai or any vessel which you comfortable and add 1 cup, which is 250 ml of full fat milk. You can also take normal milk which you have. When the milk is little warm, take 1/4 cup of milk from it in a bowl and add 1 and 1/4 tablespoon of custard powder and mix well without any lumps and keep it aside. Now the milk started to boil. We will add custard mixture into this and stir continuously until it is thick. Now add 2 tablespoons of sugar and continuously stir it. This is the perfect consistency. Turn off the flame. We will transfer it to another bowl. Once the custard mixture is completely cooled down, keep it in the freezer for about 2 hours. Here I have taken whipping cream powder. You can also take whipped cream which is easily available in the market. So this is a 50 gram of pack. As per the instruction, I am going to pour 100 ml of chilled milk to this. Mix well and beat it. Here I am using my electrical beater. You can also use whisker. Whip the cream till it is stiff peak. So our whipping cream is ready. After 2 hours, I am going to remove it from the freezer, and you can see the consistency has become more thick. Now add this mixture to the whipping cream. And blend it till it is soft and creamy. Now I am going to add yellow food color. This is optional, so I have used here gel food color. I am using 4 to 5 drops. Mix it again. Now you can see here our custard mixture became soft and creamy. Now we need to cover it with the silver foil, or also you can take any plastic wrapper. Close it tightly. Close the lid tightly and keep it in the freezer for about 3 hours. After 3 hours, you need to take out from the freezer and we need to beat it again. Beat this mixture until it is creamy and soft. Now our ice cream mixture is ready. To this I am going to add some dry fruits. This is completely optional. If you want, you can use, or else you can skip it. Mix well, and again I am going to beat it for few seconds, and the mixture is ready now. Pour this mixture into a airtight container. And finally I am going to garnish with some tutti frutti. Close the lid tightly and keep it in the freezer for about 8 hours or overnight. I have kept it overnight, and next day you can see our ice cream came out very nicely and it is really going to be very tasty. Definitely you must give a try for this ice cream and enjoy with your family. If you like this recipe, please give a like, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.